my husband was a vet. He's deceased. And I was living in another state at one time. And at that time, I was eligible for state benefits because my income was so low. But then when I moved here to Alabama, I was told there was no such benefit for widows or their husbands. And I wanted to know, why is it certain states have, give state benefits to widows or their husbands, and they don't do it in every state? Because if they do it in one state, because I'm saying to myself, what makes these people over here in this state, these veterans, more important than the ones in Alabama? Because that's what it's saying.
Yes, ma'am. That's an excellent question. You know, veterans benefits are primarily federal. Mm-hmm. So there are some state veteran departments, like for instance, Alabama has 4 state VA nursing homes. Mm-hmm. Those are strictly run by the state of Alabama. So a monetary benefit for a widow differing from state to state, I'm not aware of that. That is federal. I think she may have gotten some of that misinformation that we were talking about. So we work with surviving spouses and widows of veterans all the time. There are 2 main benefits. There's pension, which is really confusing, because pension, we think of the greatest generation working at a corporation all those years and getting a pension. And then there's when the veteran had a service-connected disability, that can extend to his wife or husband, if the veteran is female. Mm-hmm. So those are surviving spouse benefits, and they should not be state specific.
And those benefits continue after the spouse has passed?
Mm-hmm. They do. Okay. Yeah, that's there's one called DIC, Dependency and Indemnity Compensation. That's if the veteran was receiving a rating, a percentage rating.
Right.
And then there's pension, which is a fixed amount, kind of like a long-term care insurance policy, and that one is means tested. The VA cares how much money and assets you have, but the other is not. So we have to determine which benefit is right for which veteran or spouse.